Here's an example where we need to use the law of sines to solve for triangle ABC. Solving for triangle ABC means we need to find all of our missing angles and sides. So in order to use law of sines, the combination that I look for is if we're given an angle and its opposite side. So I see that we have angle A and we have side A, 4.5. If you have that combination and then one other thing about the triangle, like we know angle B is 60, we can go ahead and set up law of sines. So law of sines looks like we're going to say sine of 42 degrees over the opposite side, so sine of angle A over side A, so over 4.5. And then we set it equal to the sine of an angle over its opposite side. And the angle that we know now is 60 degrees, so we're going to use angle B. So sine of 60 degrees over side B. So it's always an angle, or sine of the angle over its opposite side. So there's our setup. We have a fraction equal to a fraction. We can go ahead and cross multiply to work on solving for B. So we have B times the sine of 42 equals 4.5 times the sine of 60. And then divide, we're trying to get the B by itself, divide both sides by sine of 42. And then this is where I pick up the calculator. I haven't done any real calculating yet. And I'll do 4.5 times the sine of 60 divided by sine of 42. And we get 5.8. So now we know side B is 5.8. We also need to find angle C and side C. Since we're given angles A and B from the start, we can go ahead and add those up, subtract from 180 to get angle C. So we know angle C will be equal to 180 minus 42 and 60. So angle C is 78 degrees. Now we need angle C in order to help us find side C. So we're going to set up law of sines again. I'm going to stick with using angle A and side A. Since that was given to me, I know that that is correct information. I'm not using information that maybe I made a mistake on. So sine of 42 over 4.5. And now I'm going to use the C information because I want to know what side C is, and side C is going to be down there on the bottom. So I'm going to use angle C, sine of angle 48 over side C. Again, we're just cross multiplying, solving for side C. So we have C times the sine of 42 equals 4.5 times the sine of 78. Divide both sides by sine of 42 to get the C by itself. And then we pick up, that's 42, pick up the calculator to see what side C equals. And we get 6.6. So side C is 6.6. And now we know all three angles and all three sides of the triangle, so we have solved for triangle ABC using the law of sines.